Hey YouTube, it's Naim Nappy and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. So last week we learned all the benefits of oatmeal and made a bomb DIY oat gel that helped to define your curls. So this week I want to kind of do a little remix of the oatmeal. As you know, it has so many B vitamins which help to make your hair soft and bring moisture from the environment into your hair. So I wanted to try this in a deep conditioner for you guys since we're on quarantine. So add in some of our favorite ingredients. So let's go ahead and get to mixing. So we're going to start off making our oat gel. We're going to add about 3 tablespoons of oats to about 2 cups of water and go ahead and let it boil for about 10 minutes and then strain. And of course, I'm going to put the oat gel video up top for you guys. So you guys want more details, you can learn about that there. Then you want to go ahead and strain the oats using your pantyhose and tongs and set it to the side. Now, y'all don't want to add oils to it like you did last time because we're going to prepare this for our deep conditioner mix. Next, we're going to go ahead and use our aloe vera leaf. I have half a leaf left. It's been sitting in my fridge for quite some time. As you can see, when I cut it open, it's a little frozen at one end. But I'm going to go ahead and scrape all the contents into my blender and go ahead and mix it. All right, from there, I'm going to go ahead and measure out 25.25 grams of aloe vera gel, and I'm going to measure out 208.46 grams of oat gel. Next, add 4.88 grams of raw honey. Now, for the oil phase, you're going to go in with 43.77 grams of BTMS, and then you're going to mix 29.73 grams of avocado and almond oil. And then I use 25.81 grams of my Ayurvedic hair oil, followed up with 24.90 grams of shea/mango butter. Now you want to go ahead and combine the oil phase, so all your oils and emulsifier, and then your water phase, which is your oat gel, your aloe, and honey, into 2 separate jars. And then we're going to head over to our kitchen and use your double boiler method to heat them up. So y'all, you want to heat this up for about 20 minutes, and don't be like me. I totally forgot to not use a plastic container when heating up my oils because the emulsifier doesn't really melt all the way. But I'm going to go ahead and mix this by pouring the oils into the water phase. But then again, I'm going to let that heat up and continue stirring until all of the product is dissolved and emulsified together. You'll notice my water goes from like a yellowish tint to almost like a creamy white color, and then I let that heat up for about 10 more minutes. So now pour your mixture into the blender and blend it until it starts to become creamy and let it cool down some. After about 5 to 10 minutes, go ahead and add your Optifin Plus as your preservative to the mixture. I'm going to be adding 8.1 grams of my Optifin Plus. And then y'all know I'm going to go in with my favorite essential oils, all the ones that I have, so peppermint and rosemary, to make this mixture smell amazing. Y'all, doesn't this just look like ice cream or frosting? It looks and feels absolutely amazing. Now look at this fluffy little morsel that is about to be in my hair, this deep conditioner, and let's go ahead and get started. I shampooed my hair with a shampoo bar, and so let's go ahead and add this to my hair. So y'all, look at this texture of this. It's very thick and it easily goes into your hair nice and smoothly. It's already defining my curls, even though it's a deep conditioner and that's not its purpose. It's feeling absolutely amazing in my hair. Now, I want to discuss some of the oils that I use in this deep conditioner mix to help you understand why I chose these particular oils. Now, first up is sweet almond oil. Now, sweet almond oil is amazing, you guys. It's one of those oils that is very lightweight, so it won't weigh your hair down if you have fine or hair that becomes overly greasy. Now, sweet almond oil also contains lots of protein and vitamins such as vitamin A, B, and E, which add shine and luster to dull hair. Now, this oil is also great for those who suffer from dry, itchy scalp or dandruff, which then exacerbates a dry scalp, which you guys know that I do have eczema. So finding oils that help to heal the scalp are also wonderful for adding into your deep conditioner. Now, the other oil I used was avocado oil. Now, avocado oil contains antioxidants, minerals, essential fatty acids, biotin, vitamins A, B5, and E. So y'all, avocado oil can help moisturize, repair, and strengthen your hair. It also helps to seal the cuticles of your hair, which helps to prevent breakage. So now that this has been applied all to my hair, I'm going to go ahead and steam for 45 minutes. After rinsing out, y'all, look how my hair looks. Crazy definition, crazy moisture. Oh my gosh. Y'all, my hair feels like soft, fluffy clouds. Like, I don't even know. It feels so amazing, moisturized, hydrated. Okay, so y'all, if you guys try this deep conditioner recipe, please leave below in the comment section how it makes your hair feel. Let other people know that this deep conditioner is poppin', okay? Y'all, this is it. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. That's it for this week's Sip Tuesday. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.